Hello, this is Anil with a video tutorial for the Learning Light on C programming. In this video tutorial, we're gonna see some more information about the switch statement. In the last tutorial, I told that in switch, the expression has to be a integer value, or the expression should result in some integer value. So this expression can be a character also. So let me explain you first, and let me tell you the reason why we can use this character here. So I'm gonna create a variable for of type character. It's gonna be char. I'm gonna say ch, and I'm gonna write this character here ch, and I'm gonna write a case which is called okay, let me assign this character with a value a. So here we need to write this a here, then we're gonna write the printf statement, like case a, then a new line, and we're gonna use the break here, break, and save this, and compile using Ctrl F9 and run it. So as you can see here, case a. So here we have used a character, then we use that in the expression statement. This is because when we store this character, a computer actually stores this ASCII value of this character. In this case is the character A, and the ASCII value of this capital A is 65, and the 65 is stored in this ch, and the 65 is a integer value. So here it also equal to 65, and because of that our this program ran without any error. So to show you that, I'm gonna use a printf statement here, printf, then I'm gonna write %d to print the ASCII value of this the character A, then add a new line, and here I'm gonna reference the variable ch. This ch is of type character, but this time we want to print the ASCII value stored in that character, so it's gonna be %d, save it, Ctrl F9, and run it. As you can see here, 65. That's because the ASCII value of this capital A is 65. So close it. Another thing I want to tell you is you can combine two or many cases, one or more cases, to execute the same code. Here we're gonna write a case for a small a, then we need to add a colon here, then here you're gonna write case a or small a. So now what happens is, if this character contains capital A or small a, this printf statement will be executed, because we have specified that for this small a and capital A we want to execute the same code. So save it, Ctrl F9 and Ctrl F10. As you can see here, case a or small a. Now I'm gonna make it small a, save it, compile it, and run it. So same thing, case a or small a. Another thing is, as I told in the last tutorial, this switch is somewhat similar to the if-else statement, but the difference is, in switch this expression can't be a floating point value, so we can use only a integer or a character, so as we have seen here. So if you use a float here, you'll get an error. So but in the if-else, you can use these float values to test the condition. Okay, the last thing I want to tell you in switch is, if you're gonna write more statements here, and if you want to make a block of them, then you can write this opening and closing braces. So I'm gonna write like this. This is not gonna result any error using this opening and closing curly braces. We are just making a block of code, so just for to read this code easily. Save it, Ctrl F9, and run it. So no problem, same thing, no errors. So this is it, guys. This is about the switch statement in C. See you in the next tutorial. You can like my Facebook page at facebook.com/learninglight, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.